Cheminova is a pharmaceutical formulation manufacturing company set up in 2001. This company was erstwhile American Remedies Group company, which was taken over by Dr. Reddy's in 2000, and then we were shareholders in American Remedies. So after the merger with Dr. Reddy's, we started our own company called Cheminova Remedies in 2001. We've been doing a lot of contract manufacturing after that for companies. We started off with Dr. Reddy's and eventually added up a lot of other companies. Today we work for about 13 out of 17 or 18 majors in the country. So this is what as Cheminova we've been doing. And our core strength has always been manufacturing and R&D. And we have, and thereby, we have built the largest liquid oral facility in the country. We have an installed capacity of about, in all of 3 plants, wherein we have 3 plants now, one in Balanagar, other in Bolaram in Hyderabad, and the 3rd plant, where we call it as Cheminova Pharmaceuticals, that's in the excise-free zone of the hill state in Himachal Pradesh. So in these 3 plants put together, we have a total filling capacity liquids of over 11 lakh bottles per shift. In about 8 to 9 hours we can fill, and about 4 million tablets and about 1 million capsules per shift. This is our installed capacities. Currently we are manufacturing for, as I told you, for all the multinationals here in India. So these are being sold in the domestic market and also in the other markets as well, in the less regulated markets. So this is actually a very important milestone for Cheminova. We've been, as a pharmaceutical manufacturer, we've been here since 1972, wherein my father, late Dr. Seshgiri Rao, he has started this entire thing. So, we are leveraging our manufacturing experience of about over 4 decades. And we have presented to RNL as well our core strength of manufacturing, and wherein we are still sticking to our strength of manufacturing, we'll be supplying quality products at a very affordable prices for RNL as well. These are all weight loss products and also health products, and also a lot of other pharmaceutical formulations as well. So these are all coming in over phased manner. So these are the products now currently: weight loss and for the stamina. So these are the products currently what they're. So it is the JV is going to be about 76 and 24%. 76 will be with RNL through a special purpose vehicle, a company floated in India. It's a dilutive share. There is no money transaction in this particular thing. It's going to be over a period of time. No, it's going to remain as Cheminova until this this 2-year deliverable is done, and then a little later we'll have to figure out these plans a little later.